If you want to automate your WordPress using Codex, this video is for you. In this video, I'll share with you guys how you can connect Codex with WordPress. If you don't know what is Codex, Codex is a AI coding agent, which is a direct competitor of Claude. I think you might already have heard about Claude. So stay tuned while I share with you guys how you can connect Codex with WordPress. Now this is the Codex page. First, you should have the app. I already have the Codex app downloaded. You can see the app here, and here you can see I already created this blog post directly from the chat. So I just gave it a chat and asked it to create the blog post. It directly created the blog post within my WordPress website. It can analyze all the posts. It can do SEO for you. It can update meta title, meta description. It can create new pages. It can create new layout. The possibilities are endless. Now let's head to the WordPress dashboard where I'm going to show you guys how you can connect. So that's a test install which I have created for you guys. And these are the two plugins which we will need. So the first is the MCP Adopter and the second one is WSP WordPress MCP. Now let's go to the WordPress dashboard. I'm going to go to dashboard. I'm already logged into my WordPress install. I'm going to go to plugins and then click on add plugin. Now let's first download this plugin from releases. So if you go to MCP Adopter in GitHub, you will find this releases. Scroll down. Here you will find releases. Click on that. Try downloading the latest version of the release. Scroll down. And here you can see the latest version of the release. That's the zip folder, which we will need to download and then upload to our WordPress website. So let's first do that. I'm going to click here and it is downloading. And now you can see that it is downloaded. Now let's go back to add plugins. Click on upload plugin. Click on choose file. Okay, now click on install now and activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you need the second plugin for the abilities. So this is Adopter for Abilities API, meaning it's a connector which will allow the abilities to be exported. Now, in order to tell WordPress which abilities we want to export, we will need another plugin. I've created this basic plugin for you. It's an open source plugin completely for free. No need to pay anything at all. Just go to this WordPress MCP. I'm going to add the GitHub link and all of the resources link in the YouTube video description. Go to this GitHub repo and then click on releases. And from here, you will find the latest release. Make sure to download the latest release. The latest one is this as of today. It might be updated in the future down the road. Download this zip file. Okay, our zip file is downloaded. I'm gonna again upload and activate the plugin. Perfect. Our plugin is now activated. Now, once you activate this WebSense Pro MCP Abilities plugin, you will see this new menu item created on your WordPress, which will say settings and then got config files. Now click on settings. This is where you will see all of the abilities. Now, if you want to only allow your AI agent to read posts, you can just toggle it on. And if you do not want to make it create posts, you can simply toggle it off. So all of these permissions are showing up here for posts, pages, taxonomy, comments, media, users, search, site. So your AI agent will only be able to read those stuff which is toggled on here, which is allowed from this page here, right? Once you allow these abilities to be accessed for AI coding agent, you need to add in config files. Now in Codex, you will need to add in config file in your toml file of Codex. So let's go to settings and then click on this settings icon again. And here you will have this configuration. Now, when you click on configuration, you have this option of open config.toml file. I'm going to open this file, scroll down to the bottom of the file. And here we will add configuration from our plugin. So go back to your WordPress and then click on config files, right? Once you click on config files, you will find the configuration for Claude and for Codex. I'm going to add more configurations like anti-gravity and 4 more coding AI agents real soon. So let's click on Codex and then copy to clipboard. Click on this copy to clipboard and then paste this on the bottom of config.toml file. Now here you will need one additional thing, which is this application password. You will need to replace this with your own WordPress password. How you can do that? So go back to your WordPress install, go to users, and then click on all users. Now from the user you're logged in, make sure you're administrator and then click on edit. Here, scroll down and click on this new application password. Name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it Codex Test. Click on add application password. And here it will show your application password. Now remember that it is just like your password, so do not share it with anyone. I'm going to delete this once this video is created. So let's click on copy and then paste this application password to your toml file where we have this replace with your application password, right? I'm going to paste it here and then save my file. So save the file. And now I'm going to close the Codex and then restart it. Basically close it and start it again. So let's close it up. And now I'm gonna reopen it. And now once you reopen it and go to settings, click on settings again. Under MCP server, you should see the new server here. So previously we just had this one. And after you add the configuration.toml file, you will see this new MCP server, meaning now your Codex AI agent have the context. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, meaning the model or the AI coding agent have the context of your WordPress website. And now it also have tools. So if I click on the settings, you can see this application password and the username. Now it has the direct access to my WordPress install where I can simply ask it to create a new blog post and create a new page and it will create it for me. Now let's go back and try test it out. I'm going to click on new chat and then say, please create a new blog post in my WordPress website related to how to rank in Bing. Or yeah, how to rank in Bing in 2026. You can see that it knows that we do have the WordPress connector. So it's saying I'll use the WordPress connector. Okay, now it's asking for my permission that do you want to get the categories? I'm going to say allow. By the way, Codex is free to start and Claude is paid. So Claude comes with a minimum $20 per month package and Codex is completely free to start. Obviously, there are some limitations with the free version, but you can play around with Codex completely for free. There are some limitations. So if you go to upgrade, you should be able to see the limitations. Here you can see that the starting package is $8 per month, while Claude Code is $20 per month. Obviously, quality of Claude Code is way more better than Codex, but it's a good start if you want a free tool and connect your WordPress website with Codex. Okay, you can see that it created that. It took about 2 minutes. Obviously, we're using the free version, so it took a little longer. But you can see that it also gave me this link where I can simply click on it and it will open up on a new tab. And here you go. You can see that it posted this how to rank in Bing in 2026 and updated June 7th. And it's completely SEO friendly. You can see that the headings and start with the Bing. It's real good, right? And I didn't have to manually copy and paste. It directly created within the WordPress website. Now it's just a basic use case, but you can use it for optimizing SEO of your website and suggesting what to improve and how to rank on Google, Bing, and all of these search engines better, right? And Codex comes with the free tier, so you can play around with the free tier as much as you want. And that's it for this video, guys. A super simple beginner friendly tutorial for how you guys can connect Codex with WordPress. Let me know in the comments below if you have any confusions, and do not forget to subscribe. Until next video, have a great day.